Hi guys, once again welcome to Izisuku videos. Today I want to show you how to harvest the organic vegetables. I'm doing this with my wife. We're gonna cook this one today, and we're gonna eat this one today. Okay, just watch and see. Subscribe please, and like it, comment. Thank you very much. Here we go. Let's go. Oh, that vegetable is taller than you. It's growing so tall. Yeah, these vegetables, they are very good because you don't need to keep on buying the seeds. The next season you just unplug the new shoots and then put them again on the ground, prepare the ground, put them on the ground, let them regrow. Look at it. This is African vegetables. Most of African people, they eat this type of vegetables. It's so good. It's fresh and organic. It's healthy. Yeah, this is what people should do in their back gardens at home. You see, what is she doing?
Picking.
Yeah, the African lady is harvesting the vegetables. Yeah, so the one that she's picking now is gonna grow even up to 2 meters tall, depending on how much you want it to grow.
And
Maybe
depending on the weather again.
yeah, so if the weather is good, like if there's too much sunshine, it grows even faster. Can you see those bunches of vegetables? Wow, I like that. Yeah, what about your spinach? Are you gonna harvest your spinach too? Yeah, look at the spinach.
Very fresh.
Look at the leaves, how big they are. Wow, they are so big. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe guys, and like the video YouTube channel of Izisuku. Well, the weather is good. The birds are singing around. As you can see, the trees around there. You can hear the birds are just singing around there. Yeah, see, our garden is fenced with a green fence there to prevent the birds from entering. Oh, can I have a look at that bunch? How big is it? Let's have a look.
Very.
Oh, can you see guys, how big is this bunch? Give it me, let me have a look too. Let me see how big it is. Yeah, I'm gonna give you the camera and then I'll hold the bunch too. Yeah. Let me have a look, how big is the bunch? Okay. Can you see how big is the garden? Hold the camera there. There you go. Can you see guys? Hi guys, can you see me there? Yeah. No, you don't see me. There you go. Oh, it's so big. Can you see my garden again? Can you see that guys? Can you see me there? Look at this. Look at this. This is what we call organic vegetables. It's so fresh. It's very new. And we're gonna eat this one today. Look at it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and like the video too. There you go. Yeah, let me give this back to my wife.
Thank you.
And I will walk around and show you how big is this garden. Can you see? This one is for last year, is reserved to regrow it next year. These ones I'll show you sometime when they are maybe 1 meter tall high. Can you see this ground here? Very soon they'll be 1 meter tall high. Thanks for watching. Bye.